In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Word. Let's jump straight in. Go ahead and open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can use either a blank document or any existing file. It doesn't matter for changing the appearance. Once Word is open, we're going to look toward the very top left corner of the window, where you'll see the main menu tabs like Home, Insert, Draw, and so on. What we need is the File menu. Click on File, and you'll notice that your view changes to a full-page menu screen. This is sometimes called the Backstage view. On the left-hand side, you'll see options like Info, New, Open, Save, and near the bottom, you should see Options. That's the one we want. Go ahead and click Options. A new window will pop up called Word Options. This is where you can customize how Word looks and behaves. On the left side of this window, there's a list of different categories. Look for the one labeled General and make sure it's selected. If it isn't already highlighted, click on General. Now focus on the right side of this Word Options window. Scroll a little if you need to and look for the section related to personalization or appearance. Here, you should see a setting called Office Theme. If dark mode is currently on, this will probably be set to dark gray or black. Click on the Office Theme drop-down menu. You'll see a few different choices, like colorful, white, or maybe light gray, depending on your version of Word. To turn off dark mode, choose either white or colorful. Both of these will give you a light background instead of a dark one. White is usually the cleanest and brightest option, while colorful keeps a light background but adds a bit of color to the top bar. Once you've picked the theme you want, look down at the bottom of the Word Options window and click OK. As soon as you do that, Word will apply your new theme. Your document area, and likely the surrounding interface, should now be in light mode instead of dark. If you have multiple Word documents open, the change should apply to all of them, and Word will remember this setting the next time you open it. And that's all you need to do to turn off dark mode in Word.